My special appreciation will always go to you, the supporter of the Unify Igbos Now movement. Like the little drops of water, today we can proudly say that it has been transformed into an ocean of waters. But it started with you. It started with your shares, with your comments, with your cheers, your support, morally and financially and otherwise. That is how we got to the place that we are now. Today, because I, through the help of God, encouraged myself when I saw the vision to unify in Igbo. I started that work. Then many people laughed at us, saying that this is a one-man show, that I am not capable of telling people's history, that I am incapable of uniting in Igbo. I did not respond. I did not try to fight or to throw banters. I just went straight to work. Meeting my brothers across the Niger, meeting my brothers in Rivers, meeting my brothers in Kogi, Benue, Edo. Reaffirming to them and rekindling in their minds that Ndi Igbo deserves a shot at unity. And today, we now have many proponents, especially from these identity crisis affected areas. It is possible because of you. It is possible because you believed. It is possible because you saw the need. You saw the potentials in what we were doing and what we were preaching. It is possible that Ndi Igbo today has agreed to unify with their brothers across the Niger and the rivers Kogi, Bayelsa, Benue, Cross River, Akwa Ibom, Edo, and Delta. The people that speaks in Noah, the people that speaks Bia has come. The people that trades on that sacred market days for Eke, Orie, Afo, and Donko. It is possible because of you. It is possible because you recommended us, you shared these videos far and wide. You made it possible for the world to start talking about the Unify Igbos Now. And ever since we started, it has been from one achievement to the other, from one step to the other. One road leads to the opening of the next road. I thank you. A few days ago, I was conferred with a chieftaincy title as the Ojemba Enwiro One Malibo Nine. This was based on merit. I did not buy it, because if it is something that will be bought with money, I had none. But because you recommended me for this, and I proudly accept the responsibility of being a chieftaincy title holder in our Igbo. Igbo Zurume, Igbo Zuruchie, Igbo Zurusik Ogawa. I accepted it with all sense of responsibility and pride to walk with my shoulders and my head held up high. I thank him, Igbo. I shall walk into communities identifying myself as Ojembe Nwiro 1, the Unify Igbo's now proponent, preaching nothing but love and peace. And this message will, by the special grace of Chukwokike, will sink into the minds and consciousness of our people. I accept. I accept the responsibility to live by the tenets of the Igbo Ordinala and the Omenala. I accept to live by the rules of the Igbo worldview. Onyayala nwanne ya. Iko ọha. Ọnụrụbe nwanne agbala ọsọ. I accept to live by these principles. I accept to live with that aura that the Igbo man is known for. Because the Igbo are people with rich culture and tradition, and the respect that comes to the Igbo man, I accept. I hereby call for calm, call for peace. We are not at war with our Ijaw brothers, neither are we at war with our Benin brothers. But the campaign to unify Igbo must not be seen as a campaign for war or a campaign to subjugate, a campaign to usurp, or a campaign to cause mayhem. Rather be seen for what it is, a campaign to unify Igbo.